In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Hostinger subscription and get a refund. If you no longer need your Hostinger service and you want to make sure the subscription is cancelled properly, this process is fairly straightforward. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly where to go and what to do. The goal here is to access your account settings, locate the option related to account removal, and then take the final step of requesting refund support through your bank or credit card issuer. To begin, open your Hostinger account and sign in as you normally would. Once you're logged in, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct account, especially if you manage more than one hosting plan or website. This helps avoid cancelling the wrong service by mistake. After that, go to your profile section. You'll usually find this in the top area of the account dashboard. Clicking your profile will open a menu or settings area where your personal account options are stored. This is where you can manage the broader account details connected to your subscription. Next, click on Account Information. This section contains the main settings tied to your account status. Once you're there, scroll down through the page until you find the option labelled Delete Account. According to this process, this is the area where you'll be able to proceed with cancelling your subscription. As you move through this part, read each prompt carefully so you understand what will happen next, especially if the platform explains how account deletion affects active services. Once that's done, the next step is to contact your bank or your credit card issuer. Let them know that you have cancelled your subscription with Hostinger and that you're requesting assistance with a refund. When you reach out, it can help to clearly explain the cancellation date and mention the charge you want reviewed. Keeping your request simple and direct can make the process smoother. Before ending the process completely, it's also a good idea to check for any confirmation messages, emails, or account notices that show your cancellation has been completed. That way, you have a record in case you need it during the refund request. And that's it. That's how to cancel your Hostinger subscription and move forward with requesting a refund. Follow each part carefully, and you should be able to complete the process with much more confidence.